In this video, I'm gonna talk about how to fix the black screen while playing games in Windows 11 and how we can fix it. You can try the same step on both on a Windows 10 and as well as on a Windows 11 and how we can fix it. So let's get started. So first of all, what you need to do is we just need to go over here, search here for the settings. Now from here in the settings, we have to navigate to the settings first. Now here with the settings, we need to take care of few things first. These are very important. So first of all, what you need to do is you have to go over here to the gaming on the left side and click on the game mode. As you can see, the game mode is actually turned off. So first of all, make sure whether it is turned off or not, because that even causes sometimes a black screen issue. So what you need to do is if it's already turned off, try turning this on, and also you have to check. You have to check which is going to help you an issue with the black screen. Sometimes turning it on may fix the issue, so you have to try either this one as well as turning it off. Both can be done. But once you turn this one, you have to close this and go over here, search here for the settings once again, and you have to click on the settings. And this time what we need to do is you have to click on the Windows update and check for any kind of updates is there. So if you have any kind of pending updates and all those things like this, you just need to download and install this and make sure the Windows is latest update to the latest version. Now from here, what you need to do is you have to scroll it down and navigate to advanced option here. Now from here, what you need to do is you have to click on optional updates. And right now we have one pending update, that is a Windows 1 update we have, that is Windows 11. And also we have two driver update, that is for one is for the monitor and the other one is for the Intel system. So what you need to do is you have to put a check on all these things. Just download and install this on a computer and you have to check. We should be updated all these kind of things in order to avoid the black screen issue. Next one is all about we have to go over here, type here for CMD, and what you need to do is you have to click on run as administrator, and what you need to do is just wait. So you have to go for yes. Now from here, what you need to do is we just need to just wait. We have to run this, and now we need to type here SFC. We have to type over here, you have to type SFC, put a space / scan now, and you have to press enter. So what happens is this is going to completely cross-check your system whether it's gone through any kind of an issue. So keep in mind this is going to take a little bit of time, hardly 10 minutes. So all we have to do is just wait for this to get completely done. Once done, what you have to do is you have to press few keys in your keyboard. That is all about. I'll show you with online keyboard here. So what you need to do is you have to press these following button, that you have to press Control button, then you have to press Windows icon over here, then you have to press Shift, then you have to press B. This is very important. So what happens is it will be flash your screen for a couple of times, which is actually going to do is it's actually refreshing your graphic drivers. After this, you have to check, most probably the issue regarding the black screen will be completely fixed by this. And this is what you have to do, and I hope this quick video is helpful. That's it. Bye.